discuss about class 12th accountancy chapter number 4, reconstitution of partnership firm, retirement or death of a partner. What it means? What is retirement? Retirement of a partner means a partner leaving or separating from a partnership firm due to certain reasons or retirement. It means when a partner is retiring from the firm, it means he is resigning for the some reasons of the partnership. He is separating from the partnership firm. Is called retirement. The old partnership comes to an end of a new partnership agreement comes into existence between the remaining partners. It means the old partnership when old partnership finished, the new partnership again started with new partners, right? According to section 32 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, any partner may retire from the firm with the consent of all the partners or at his will by giving written notice to all the partners of his intention to retire. Means when the person want to retire in the retire of the partnership firm, he have to give notice to the all the partners, because he was to say all the partners he is leaving the partnership firm by way of notice. He was intention to retire. Why the person's retiring? There's some reasons, right? The reasons for retirement. On a dispute with each other partners of the firm, it may be disputes among the partners, it may be fight among the partners, right? So they decide to separate from the partnership, or maybe having no interest in commercial business activities. They may not have any interest on the commercial business, so they are retiring. There may be old age, illness or physical, because they may be old, become old or illness, or they can't able to do work, right? Then they want to retire, resign the job, retirement, right? This to do other work or desire to do some profitable business. Other reason, it maybe they have decided to work which get more profit in the business, they want to do that business. This all are the reasons of the partnership partner when going to retire. These are the reasons, common reasons. Next one is death of a partner. In case of death of a partner, partnership ends with the death of a partner, but the firm may continue. It means partnership ends, but the firm may continue with the other partners, right? When the person is dead, the firm ends, but the firm ends, but the other partners may continue, right? It business with new partnership agreement. When the person dies, they continue with the another partners with a new agreement among them. The legal representative of the decreased partner has the right over the capital balance of a decreased partner. It means the decreased partner, and one person is decreasing in the firm, they have to take a decreased partner also. Profit for the period till he was alive, salary, commission and interest on capital if permitted in the deed. When the partner is alive, not death occur to him, he was to give, firm has to pay him to salary, commission and interest on capital. When there is an agreement between them, only partnership deed contains them, only have to pay. In case no need to pay. Apart from the above, he has right over the goodwill, joint life policy, reserve and funds. Apart from the goodwill, he have to write on the joint life policy, reserves, etc. There is no distinction between the death of a partner and retirement of a partner from the accounting point. There is no distinction. There will be death of a partner or a retirement of. There is no particular rule. The problem which arises in case of death of a partner is similar to that of retirement of a partner, except that the death of a partner may occur at any time, where the date of retirement of partner is fixed. That the death may occur whenever, right? But the retirement of partner is fixed apart from the years 30, 40, 50. But death of our partner is whenever we can't say the future things, right?